It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Bad Bitch Contest. You in first place. You in first place. Hey, you in first place. Bad Bitch Contest. I'm in first place. Okay, because who I'm in the race with? Me. Who I'm competing with? Me. Hey, y'all. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Yes, welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. All right, y'all. Today is February 5th, 2022. Yes, it is your girl, Shanise Nicole's birthday. Yes, give it to me, give it to me. Hey, give it to me. Yes, y'all, your girl is 34 years young today, okay? February 5th, 1988. I wonder what time I was born. I don't know. Daddy, what time was I born? Because I know my daddy is watching. Speaking of my daddy, it is also my parents' 28th wedding anniversary. Yes, so shout out to the Paytons, my parentals. Okay, they are celebrating 28 years of marriage today. Look at them putting in the work, because you know, if y'all know, look, I'm extra. So imagine the parents that I came from. My daddy is extra. Rest in peace to my mother, Angela. She was extra. So your girl is just like a double dose of extra, okay? So shout out to my shorty G for putting up with Mr. DP for 28 years. She had to tame him because you see what I'm like. Imagine what my daddy like. He worse than me. Yo, hey daddy, hey G, what's up? Y'all drop some love down below. Say what's up to my parents. Tell them happy 28th anniversary. Normally my parents would be here. They would be here. They would be here. We always celebrate my birthday / their anniversary together, but they canceled their trip to come here this year because they're going to Spain. Like, what? You going to Spain? You could have came here and been with me, okay? You know, when my daddy told me he won't come in, I was like, oh, that's nice. You know, I'm happy that they're going, but I'm salty because it's like, okay, so you're not coming for my birthday? Shout out to my parents. Rest in peace to my mom. I can only hope that she's looking down on me and she's proud of me. I'm 34 years old. I'm a mother of 2. I'm a wife. I will be celebrating 9 years of marriage to my husband, Mr. Robinson, next month. Yo, your girl is just feeling good, feeling great for her birthday. Like, it's taken me a long time to get where I'm at now. I had to put in a lot of work. I had to realize a lot of things about myself. And sometimes that's really hard to look in the mirror and say, you are the problem, okay? Sometimes it's us. It's not people around us. It's not situations that we're in. Sometimes the problem starts within. And until you're ready to recognize that and do the work so you can change, so you can be better and do better because you know better, I don't know what to tell you, but I'm just so thankful to God because another year of life, y'all. Another year of life. Every day above ground is a blessing. I've had to put in a lot of work to get to the level of peace and happiness and self-love that I have today. Okay, so shout out to me for doing the work. I want to say thank you to my husband. My husband is thebomb.com. I'm just so thankful to have a man that is loving, understanding, and patient because your girl is crazy. I'm thankful to my kids. My life would really not be the same without them. Like, I'm so thankful to them. I'm so thankful to my family. I have a great family, great support system, and shout out to the few people that I do call a friend. I'm not really everybody be my friend type person. I don't like to have a whole bunch of people around me, but I do have a select few people in my life that I truly do cherish them and I appreciate them. And lastly, shout out to you guys. You guys support Shanise Nicole and we have grown. We have come such a long way. And it's just like, I'm so just thankful. Thank y'all for rocking with the kid. Like, thank you so much. I'm so blessed. I'm so thankful to be where I'm at. And I'm just enjoying the ride. That's it. Just enjoying the ride. So stepping into chapter 34. Yes. Giving you more and more like Joe. But Drop a comment down below, you guys. Let me know if it's also your birthday or if you're an Aquarius, so I can give you a birthday shout out. Also, drop a comment down below and let me know, like, we're just going to send positive vibes today. Let me know what you like about my channel, what made you subscribe to my channel. Just let's chat it up and talk. Y'all know I love talking back to y'all. Y'all, it just feels good to be genuinely happy and, you know, to be genuinely at peace. Like, I fought for this for so long, so long, and I'm so thankful that I'm finally here. I'm finally able to live it. I'm finally able to witness it, because at one point I truly hated my life. I hated my life, and you know, that's a bad thing to say, but that's how I felt like years ago. This is like when I was a single mother and things was just like so bad for me all the time. Like, I hated my life. I was like, is it ever gonna be good? Am I ever gonna be truly happy? Because my only happiness at that time was my daughter. That's it. But you know, other people can't make us happy. Your spouse can't make you happy. Your children can't make you happy. You have to be happy within, you know, and it was such a hard struggle for me. And when I turned 30 years old, that's when I first checked into therapy. I'm just so thankful to be in the position that I am now. Like, I'm just so happy, y'all. Like, it's taken me a long time, and I'm gonna live my best life. Nobody or nothing will disrupt my peace. If you disrupted my peace, you gotta go. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, see y'all in the next video. Peace.